everybody!
Hello!
It is Kirsten and Chris from Savvy Pants Shop. We are making a few more of these videos lately. We are thrilled to be able to bring you some of this really cool information. Today is Style Me series, or Style Me Monday.
Style Me band.
And we are doing the maxi skirt today. It's been a while since I've done the maxi skirt, and since I did the last one, I found a couple of new, different ways to wear it. So I hope you can stick with me for about 10 minutes. I'm going to try to move through this pretty quickly. So let's get started. The maxi skirt, if you are not familiar with it, LuLaRoe's top of the foot length or floor length skirt, huge yoga waistband, and several different materials. The majority of which is an ITY, slinky, stretchy, very forgiving fabric. That's what this one happens to be today. I love this one, it's my favorite. And I put this on the way that I normally wear it today, which is kind of low-waisted, and I have folded over that nice big yoga waistband across my tummy again to kind of hold me in and give me kind of a hipster look. So I've got this on today with a tank top and some really cool leggings and my booties on underneath, just so that I can take it off and show you a bunch of ways to do this. So first way, low slung on the hips. Hipster is what I like to call that. Fold over the waistband. It brings up the hem of the skirt on the bottom, and it shows your booties, which is really cool. Not this booty, these booties.
Can't see.
So way number one. Way number two, I'm going to bring that yoga waistband up, and I'm going to bring it all the way to underneath my bust line. Okay? I've still got that yoga waistband partly across my stomach. This is going to bring the waist or the hem up even more, and then I'm going to take a nice wide belt or a skinny belt, whatever you prefer, because I think it adds a really cool layer of the depth that I love. So there you go. High-waisted and belted, either with a skinny belt or a nice wide belt. Okay? The other thing you can do, if I don my skinny belts, you can kind of see the difference. There you go. And then what I'm going to do to make this even more fun is I'm going to bring this up even higher so that you can see my leggings underneath. And the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to create what they call a twist knot. So I'm going to ruche this up like this. Bring that up, and I'm going to twist, 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 and I'm going to bring that around on itself and tuck that into the back and bring it through the middle. And that's going to make your twist knot. That's a lot easier to do when I make this into a bandeau dress. So I'm going to bring this all the way up over my bust. There we go. And you can wear that with a tank top underneath, or you don't have to. So here we go. Ruche that up. Twist, twist, twist. Let it twist around on itself. And then fold that around back. And stick that tail through the middle. Pull that tail tight, and you've got a twist knot. There you go. That brings the length of it up so you can see your cute little leggings underneath.
It's probably warmer too.
Oh, yes. There you go. Love that. Isn't that cute? Which makes this even cuter. I'm going to put my jacket on with it. This is my LuLaRoe denim Hardy jacket. I'm going to pop that collar. I love this look. Super cute, right?
Super soup.
That way I can see my leggings and I can see my booties too.
Can't see the booties.
Yep.
There you go.
So, bandeau dress with a cute little twist knot. Love that. The other way you can do your bandeau dress, try it with your Sarah or your Joy. Okay, I'm going to undo this. I'm going to put on my Sarah. Do a little pattern mixing today with my micro stripe and my floral. Just unify your colors. Okay, so the coral in the Sarah picks up the coral in the flowers. And then I'm going to take my skinny belt or my wide belt, doesn't matter. And I'm going to belt this and do it as an open look so that you can see what's on underneath. Love this one too. There you go. It covers my arms, covers my butt, gives me a little bit more of that shape that I like because it brings everything in. Thank you. Covers my arms. Love that. But you can still see the gorgeousness of the maxi underneath. This is one of my favorite looks too. Okay, I'm going to keep going up, moving up.
Moving on up.
Moving on up.
To the deluxe apartment.
One shoulder out, one shoulder in. Okay, you're going to want to get your seam running right down your shoulder. Okay, so twist that around if you need to. Get that seam right on your shoulder. And if you need to, if this bothers you like this, then tuck it in. Okay, nice big wide yoga waistband, and the length of the skirt is really long. So you can tuck this in if the whole thing bugs you and you want that to be a little bit more flat. Okay, you can play with it, but you can see what I've got right now is kind of a one-shouldered, angled, I don't know, dress top. Okay, this is obviously way too long, so what I'm going to do with this is I'm going to take the bottom of this, I'm going to reach through with my other hand, I'm going to fold this up underneath, and I'm going to lay the bottom of that skirt on top of my shoulder underneath that top layer. And what does that do? It makes a short sleeve on this so that I can have my arm out and free. Great idea, right? Thank you, the people from YouTube that I'm copying to do this look. It opens up this side a little bit more so you can see why you're going to want to have your leggings or your skinny jeans on underneath. And then I'm going to take my belt again. And having this arm out and free makes it a lot easier to belt this. There we go. Wow, still don't have it.
These hips.
No, got it. Okay. This is getting harder and harder to work with. Here we go. It's an adjustable belt, so I can wear it loose, I can wear it tight. Okay, when you get that like that, when you belt that, you're going to have this open side. What you want to do is play with that. Bring the back to the front, and bring the front to the back. Close that up a little bit. It's going to turn it into a little wrap top or wrap angled dress. Yep. Okay.
Break that.
I know, right? There you go. Love this look. It's one of my faves. So that's what you have. Long on one side, short on the other. Wow. Love that. Cute little booties and leggings. You're ready to go. So, angled dress top, whatever you want to call that. Okay. The next way, I'm going to take this completely off. And you can see why I'm wearing my leggings and my tank top. What I'm going to do is I'm going to hold that waistband and I'm going to start gathering. Gather, 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 all the way to the bottom. Okay, I'm going to look and make sure that the inside is going to be inside when I put it on. And I'm going to put this on like this. Through both arms, go over. Okay, this is easier if you size up a little bit. And I'm going to make a vest out of this. Okay, play with this a little bit. This is really tight on me because this is my normal size. You might want to size up one size when you do this look. Okay, cute little vest. Get both sides even. Pull on it. Whatever you need to do. There you go. That's the great thing about this material. Super forgiving, and it goes right back. You can't stretch this stuff out. It's amazing, this ITY fabric. Okay. Little vest. vest. You can see the back. And then again, take my belt if you really want to. You want to get rid of that tag too that's in there. And you can fold that over. There you go. Love that. So, little vest, wrap vest. Really super cute with your skinny jeans too. Any day now. We know those jeans are coming, right? There you go. Vest. And the final one.
Uno más.
Uno más. I'm going to get stuck.
Want some help?
Yep. Thank you. Okay. This next look is the look that everybody wants to know how to do. Every time I do this, every time I wear my maxi like this, people are like, oh my God, how did you do that? Okay, I'm going to find the bottom of the skirt and I'm going to find the seam on either side. That just keeps it straight and keeps it so that you know where you're going with it. This is upside down. I'm going to step into it this way.
Carefully.
Carefully, yes.
You don't wipe out.
And I'm going to bring this all the way up and turn this into a cute little halter cowl neck dress. Okay, so when I do this, I'm going to want to make sure that the back of that is folded down, folded in. And you'll see why. When I bring that up like that, you want a nice straight line across your back. I'm going to take this and get a feel for where you want to grab. If you want your cowl neck tight, you're going to grab it closer to your body and tie it. If you want a lot of room in the cowl neck, you're going to grab it farther away. Okay? So if you grab it farther away, the back's going to fall. If you grab it close, you're going to get a tight back. All right? So you decide what you want to do, play with it. Another thing you can, this is a great way to wear it with your swimsuit too. Okay? And I'm going to tie this or hair tie it in the back around my neck. Today I'm just going to tie it because I've got plenty of skirt to tie this with, which is awesome. There we go. So I've got this relatively secure in the back. It's not too tight. And you can see it goes right above my knees. You can wear this with leggings or without. I've done it both ways. I love it both ways. You've got your cowl neck here and you just want to play with that. Tuck it in. Make your little cowl. Have it hang the way you like. There you go. Play with this. I love this look. One of my faves. And you can see you can wear this with your tank top or wear it without. If you're going to wear it without, you're going to want to play with it and get this a little tighter so it doesn't hang as low. There you go. And, of course, just like with everything else, belt it if you like. Love this one too. Okay, you guys, the LuLaRoe Maxi Skirt. I'm telling you, you cannot be without this. That is at least 7 ways to do it, and I hope that you love at least 3 of them. Thanks for joining us. Savvy Pants Shop, Kirsten and Chris.
Have a wonderful day. Toodaloo!